Adobe Campaign is a powerful marketing automation platform designed to help businesses create personalized, data-driven campaigns across multiple channels. In this review, I will walk you through the key features, user interface, customization options, integrations, pricing, and overall performance to give you a clear idea of whether Adobe Campaign is the right choice for your marketing strategy. Starting with the dashboard, Adobe Campaign offers a clean and professional interface that organizes campaigns, workflows, and customer data efficiently. The home screen gives users access to key metrics, active campaigns, and automation workflows, making it easy to manage and optimize marketing efforts. One of the standout features of Adobe Campaign is its ability to create highly personalized campaigns by leveraging customer data from various sources, allowing businesses to deliver tailored content at the right time. One of the most valuable aspects of Adobe Campaign is its robust email marketing capabilities. Users can design visually appealing emails using the drag-and-drop editor or HTML customization. The platform offers A/B testing functionality, dynamic content personalization, and advanced segmentation to ensure each recipient receives relevant messages. Additionally, users can automate email sequences, such as welcome series, abandoned cart emails, and re-engagement campaigns, making it a powerful tool for nurturing leads and increasing conversions. Adobe Campaign also excels in cross-channel marketing. Unlike some marketing automation tools that focus solely on email, this platform integrates SMS, push notifications, direct mail, and social media campaigns. Marketers can design customer journeys that engage audiences across multiple touchpoints, ensuring a seamless experience regardless of how customers interact with a brand. The automation workflows allow for advanced segmentation, real-time triggers, and AI-powered optimization to enhance engagement rates. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another advantage of Adobe Campaign is its deep integration with Adobe Experience Cloud, which allows businesses to connect their marketing automation efforts with analytics, content management, and customer data platforms. This integration enables better data-driven decision-making and more refined audience targeting. Users who already leverage Adobe products, like Adobe Analytics or Adobe Target, will find the seamless connection particularly beneficial. The reporting and analytics features in Adobe Campaign provide in-depth insights into campaign performance. Users can track engagement metrics, conversion rates, and customer behaviors through customizable dashboards and detailed reports. The platform also offers predictive analytics powered by artificial intelligence, which helps marketers refine their strategies for better results. On the downside, Adobe Campaign has a steep learning curve, especially for users who are not familiar with Adobe's ecosystem. The platform offers extensive customization and advanced features, but it may take some time to fully grasp its capabilities. Additionally, pricing can be on the higher side compared to some other marketing automation solutions, making it more suitable for medium to large enterprises rather than small businesses with limited budgets. Overall, Adobe Campaign is a feature-rich marketing automation tool that provides powerful cross-channel campaign management, data-driven personalization, and deep integrations with the Adobe ecosystem. It's a great choice for businesses looking to elevate their marketing efforts with advanced automation, but it may require some training and investment to unlock its full potential. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and insights on the latest marketing tools and software solutions.